As a TikTok managed edu creator, I think one of the things na parang I took on na as a responsibility as part of my passion and my advocacy to teach people how to start working from home is to also educate people about what's happening in the market space and also how to spot yung mga networking. Kasi magkaiba siya and unfortunately, merong mga marketers, networkers na pinapakita nila na yung kanilang networking ay trabaho or virtual assistants and they use the word virtual associates, digital marketing associates, mga ganon. I even saw a couple of people running ads sa Meta na work from home opportunity but if you click on it, makikita mo rin kagad na networking siya. These marketing are very easy to spot because they make it look like it's easy. All you have to do is attend a parang seminar program, kahit cellphone ng gamit, Tagalog, pero maganda daw yung bayad. And unfortunately, kaya maraming naloloko kasi yung mga ganito is because maraming naghahanap ng instant result. I think more people are, I don't wanna call it getting scammed eh. Parang nasasayangan ka lang kasi ng oras pag umatan ka nun, tapos makikita mo magbabayad ka pala para makapasok dun sa program. But maraming naeengganyo tong mga to because ang dami pa ring tao na masyadong gahaman. I'm trying to come up with a better word for it, pero wala talaga eh. Ang dami ngayong tao na gusto ng easy money. And madalas, naluloko tayo dahil nga, madali siyang kitain. Wala ka daw halos gagawin, pero malaki yung kikitain mo. Di ba kaya nga maraming naloko because ang daming nakita nila yung mga sports car, magagandang bahay, yung mga pormahan na akala mo laging pupunta sa party and sosyalan, ganyan. And while maraming tao pa rin yung dreams and aspirations nila, still, kailangan maging mapanuri tayo sa mga nakikita natin sa social media. So, I don't know, sino to? Mitochondria, kung tama ba may pronunciation ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong pinagdaanan mo, kung bakit parang sinabi mo isang dami nag-aalok ng DA dito, tapos ending is networking. But virtual assistance, online work, freelancing is an industry na matagal nang nandito sa Pilipinas. Madami nang gumagawa. It's just that not many people knows about it. Ako personally, na-witness ko yun kapag kami sa gig camp. So, kasi face-to-face yon and makikita mo sa mga tao na hindi pa rin sila ganun ka-familiar na may opportunity pala na kumita sa bahay.